Welcome back. The ratio of two magnetic field due to the bar magnet at a two axial points P1 and P2 which are separated from each other by 10 centimeter is 25 as to 2. Point P1 is situated at a distance of 10 centimeter from the center of the magnet, and the magnetic length of the bar magnet is, we have to determine the magnetic length of the bar magnet. The given P1 and P2 are on the same side of the magnet, and distance of P2 from the center is greater than the distance of P1 from the center of the magnet. Now see what is the meaning of this problem, or what are the details of this problem. This is the bar magnet, means magnetic dipole, and this is the axis of the magnetic dipole. These are the options for answers: 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 20 centimeter. This problem is from the previous exams of NEET. Magnetic field, we have to determine the length of this bar magnet, means length of this magnetic dipole. Say this is the center and this is the N pole and S pole. The distance of the N pole from the center is denoted by L, and distance of the S pole is also denoted by L from the center. Therefore, total length of this bar magnet total magnetic length is equal to 2L, means we have to find out the value of 2L. Say this is the axis, and on the axis there are 2 points. One is P1, which is situated at 10 centimeter from the center, and another point P2, which is situated at a distance 10 centimeter from the P1. Therefore, total distance of the P2 from the center of this bar magnet is equal to 10 plus 10 means 20 centimeter. We conclude that the value of R, distance of the P1, is equal to the value of R1, means for distance of the P1, that is equal to 10 centimeter, and distance for P2 R2 is equal to this 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 centimeter. 10 centimeter is equal to 0.1 meter, and 20 centimeter is equal to 0.2 meter. We have to find out the length of the bar magnet. The magnetic field along the axis, we have the formula BA is equal to mu 0 4 pi 2 m r divided by r square minus l square whole square. This is the expression for magnetic field at a point on the axis. If the value of L is very small as compared to R, then we can take the approximation, that is L is equal to 0. But here we have to determine the value of L. Therefore, we cannot take the value L is equal to 0. We can't neglect this value of L, because we have to determine the value of L. B is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 m r divided by r square minus L square, where m is the dipole moment, magnetic dipole moment, r is the distance of this point from the center, and L is the distance of the pole from the center of the magnet. For first point, we can write magnetic field at P1 is equal to B1 is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi 2 m into the value of R is 0.1 divided by R is 0.1 square minus L square as it is and whole square as it is. Now simplify it. B2 is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi 2m, sorry, and for B2, for B2, for B2 is equal to mu 0 4 pi 2m into 0.2. The value of R is for B2 means magnetic field at P2. This distance is 20 centimeter means equal to 0.2 meter. Therefore, we can 0.2 square minus L square whole square as it is equation number 2. Dividing equation 1 by 2, we get B1 divided by B2 is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi 2m into 0.1 divided by this bracket as it is. Similarly, mu 0 upon 4 pi 2m into 0.2 and this bracket as it is. Therefore, B1 divided by B2 is equal to mu 0 4 pi will be get cancelled. This can be written as this divided by this 2m will be get cancelled, and 0.1 divided by 0.2. 0.1 divided by 0.2 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 we can write 2 here. Therefore, B1 by B2 is equal to 0.2 square minus L square into whole square divided by 2 into 0.1 square minus L square whole square. Now simplify this. How to simplify? The value of B1 as to B2. The value of B1 as to B2 is given 25 as to 2. Therefore, B1 divided by B2 is equal to 25 as to 2. And this expression can be written as it is. This 2 will be get cancelled. This 2 and 2 will be get cancelled. Multiplying on both side by 2, this 2 will be get cancelled. Only remains 25 divided by 1. And these brackets are as it is. Therefore, 25, taking the square root on both sides, 25 under root of 25 is 5. And this square root and square will be get cancelled. 0.2 square minus L square divided by 0.1 square minus L square. 5 as it is. The value of 0.2 square is 0.04 and the value of 0.1 square is 0.01. Taking the cross multiplication, we get 0.05 minus 5L square is equal to 0.04 minus L square. We can take L square in left hand side. L square minus 5L square is equal to 0.04 minus 0.05. L square minus 4L square is equal to minus 4L square is equal to minus 0.01 square. 0.04 minus 0.05 minus will be get cancelled. 4L square is equal to 0.01. Taking the square root on both sides, square root of 4 is 2, the square root of L square is L, and square root of 0.01 is 0.1 meter. And we know that 2L is the length of this bar magnet. 2L is the length of this bar magnet. Therefore, we can write magnetic length is equal to 2L is equal to 0.1 meter, and that is equal to 10 centimeter because which is given in option number B, 10 centimeter. Therefore, answer is B. Thank you.